Getting Rakuten cashback on Amazon is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps. Rakuten is a popular cashback platform that offers a percentage of your purchase back as cash or credit when you shop through their website or mobile app. To get started, you need to create a Rakuten account if you don't already have one. Once you have a Rakuten account, you need to link it to your Amazon account. This is done by going to the Rakuten website and clicking on the Amazon banner. Then following the prompts to link your accounts. After linking your accounts, you can start shopping on Amazon as you normally would. However, to get the cashback, you need to access Amazon through the Rakuten website or mobile app. You can do this by clicking on the Amazon banner on the Rakuten website, which will take you to the Amazon website. From there, you can shop as you normally would, adding items to your cart and checking out. The key is to make sure that you access Amazon through Rakuten, so that your purchase is tracked and you get the cashback. Rakuten offers a percentage of your purchase back, usually around 1 to 5%, depending on the category and the retailer. For example, if you spend $100 on Amazon through Rakuten, and the cashback rate is 5%, you will get $5 back as cash or credit. To maximize your cashback earnings, make sure to check the Rakuten website regularly for special deals and promotions. And always access Amazon through the Rakuten website or mobile app. You can also use the Rakuten browser extension, which will remind you to activate cashback when you are shopping on Amazon or other participating retailers. Finally, be sure to read the terms and conditions of the Rakuten cashback program, as some items may not be eligible for cashback, and there may be other restrictions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily get Rakuten cashback on Amazon and earn money back on your purchases.